How to use NRMA Home Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. NRMA Home Insurance is a trusted choice in Australia, but many homeowners make mistakes that cost money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it properly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Rising construction and repair costs mean a standard policy may not fully cover rebuilding or replacing your home. Regularly review your policy to ensure it reflects the current value of your home and belongings. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. NRMA includes personal liability coverage, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is also risky. Renovations, moving, or acquiring new valuable items can change your coverage needs. Not notifying NRMA may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also overlook available discounts. NRMA offers savings for bundling policies, installing security systems, and maintaining a claims-free history. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. Being proactive ensures smoother claims handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize NRMA Home Insurance Australia. Make sure your coverage matches your home's current value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, use available discounts, and understand the claims process. This approach ensures your insurance truly protects your home and your peace of mind.